Hello, Appalachian State. In this step-by-step guide, I'm going to show you how to get started using ScreenPal, formerly known as Screencast-o-matic. Let's get started. First, open up a browser and type ScreenPal.com. It'll take you to this login page. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see Login. Click on that. Now you'll see multiple options to log in. The one we're interested in to use your Appalachian credentials is the Sign In with Google. Click on that. Now enter your Appalachian email address. Click Next. And it'll take you to a very familiar login screen. Use your Appalachian username and passcode. Now you're going to be logged into ScreenPal. You can verify that this is your account by going to the upper right hand corner. You should see your initial. Click on that. And you should see your name, your email address, and that you are a team member of Appalachian State University. Now let's get started with how you make a recording. Click on Make a Recording and you will see at the bottom a bar appear that says Install Recorder App. Click Download App, Allow. Now if you are on a Mac like I am, you should see a ScreenPal setup.dmg. If you're on a Windows machine, it should say ScreenPal setup.exe. Click on that and you should see a ScreenPal setup. Once you click on that, allow it to open, enter any necessary passcode, open, OK, open. And once that setup is done, back at your ScreenPal user interface, you can click on Make a Recording. At the bottom, you'll notice that bar will reappear and it will say Launched. And now you're ready to record your screen, your camera, or both. Hope this helps.